Hello and welcome to your last semester in the RN to BSN online program. I'm Sarah Davidson, the program coordinator, and I would like to pass along some information about the capstone course you will take in the next part of the term just before graduation. You should have your clinical portfolio documents already uploaded and a clinical site in place by now. Please remember to upload renewal copies of anything that might expire during this semester so we can keep up-to-date documentation in our records. This is part of our school accreditation and state board approval requirements, and we appreciate you taking care of this early so you can continue on to graduation without any delays. The capstone course gives you the opportunity to apply what you have learned in the program to plan, implement, and evaluate a process improvement project based on a problem you identify at your chosen clinical site during the management course. There are a few important details about the capstone course that you should start thinking about now. First, you will need to make sure you have a facilitator at your chosen clinical site. Your facilitator must be an RN who works at your site and has at least a BSN degree. You will work with your facilitator for a minimum of 10 hours during your project, and this is a person who, along with your instructor, can help you through the process of completing your project. Next, you will need to start thinking about if there is some change in the processes at your clinical site that might fix the problem you identified. Remember that you will only have about 5 weeks to complete the project, since you will be working with your instructor planning the project during week 1, and during week 7 you will be writing up your results. There are many good examples of projects that you can discuss with your faculty once the course opens. During the capstone course, you will work a total of 84 hours on your project, and 10 of these must be working with your preceptor. There are 3 major written assignments in the course, along with the development of a plan for course completion. The first assignment requires that you develop a proposal for your project. The second assignment asks you to prepare a literature review paper on your topic, and the final paper is a chance to write up how you implemented the project, and the outcomes you discovered. More details will be available for you when the capstone course opens in the second part of the term, but I hope you have a better idea of what to expect so you can be thinking about your project. Please contact me at sarahdavidson@astate.edu if you have additional questions. Again, my email is sarahdavidson@astate.edu. I hope you enjoy the course and have a great semester.